my god, no matter how much I'm trying to fix my hair today, but it seems like I just cannot. But it's okay, just leave it as it is. So hey guys, today we are going to do a skincare video and I'm going to show you the most easy, convenient skincare, like DIY skincare ever. That is going to give you like a glowy, brightened skin and at the same time very much nourishing. That's going to help you for sunburn, going to help you for aging, and it is very easy. It is super easy, you'll know just in a bit. And we're going to use only 3 ingredients, which is milk, coconut milk and coconut water. Basically actually 1, but why I'm mentioning 3 you will know just in a bit. So if you're interested how to improve your skin every day, literally every day, then keep on watching. To start this DIY skincare, the first thing you need is milk, and I'm using organic milk and I would recommend you to use pure milk obviously. And then I need a bowl and also some cotton pad. That's all you need. That's pretty much it. So I just took some milk in this bowl and now I'm going to take some cotton and I'm going to just soak in the milk, and then I'm just going to rub this all over my face, and that's pretty it. So just like that, I'm going to just rub all over my face for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Now let me tell you guys why I want you to use milk every day in your skin. So it might look very simple, you know, just rubbing milk in your face, but trust me, milk can do wonder for your skin. It is so good if you have dry skin, irritated, sensitive skin. But if you have oily skin, milk is completely not for you. But I have something great option for you that I will show you in a bit. But if you have dry, irritated, sensitive skin, then there can be no better solution than using milk every day, because it is going to hydrate and smooth your irritated skin. And also it helps to repair aged skin. If you have wrinkles or if you have age spot, milk is going to, you know, treat those kind of problem as well. And also if you have sunburn, you are going to sun a lot, and by using milk every single day, it is going to reduce your sunburn. And if you're someone like me who is looking for brighten and whiten your skin complexion, then milk is going to help you on that, because it helps to reduce dark spot, aging spot and dark circle. And normally when it is removing that, your skin will get brightened by itself, so it is helpful. Alright, so I was rubbing this in my skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna show you another way, the way you can also use the milk. So for that you also need some cotton pad and you need to soak them. And I'm soaking all of this in the milk and take the excess. And then you can use it as a sheet mask. So you are just going to put the cotton pad in your skin just like so. And then you are going to leave it in there for around 20 to 30 minutes. I look so funny right now, oh my god, but trust me guys, this is going to help you so much. So yeah, let me get back after 20 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm back and all this cotton pad already almost drying. Oops. So that's pretty it, and now I'm just going to clean my face with some water and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back and you can already see my skin looking more clean and brighter than before, which is amazing. And if you want to see more effective result, then just give it 1 week and use it for every day. And if you have like too much dark spot, sunburn, then I would recommend you to use milk in a day twice to get result fast. And I promise you guys that you're gonna love it. Now if you have oily skin, then guys, milk is not really for you, because sometimes when you have oily skin, milk can really irritate your skin. Now if you have oily and acne prone skin, then I have also solution for you, which is, let me just get it, which is coconut milk. Now coconut milk do almost the same thing that milk do, which is going to hydrate your skin and help to reduce your dark circle, age spot, and also bright your skin. And also coconut milk have antibiotic properties that help to reduce acne, and also it can use as a cleanser because of its antibiotic properties. I actually recommend you guys to use pure coconut milk, and then take my cotton pad and then soak it in the coconut milk. Now coconut milk is bit more thicker than normal milk, so you can use it as also face scrub. So you just can take few coconut milk in your hand and then scrub all over your face, and that's it. Alright, now I'm just going to wash my face with water. I'm not going to use any kind of fresh wash, but if you cannot handle the smell of coconut, then it's okay, you can use fresh wash. But for me, I just like to wash it with water only. So I'll be right back. Oh my god, my skin feels so smooth and soft and hydrated, and I didn't use any kind of moisturizer yet. It's just I just washed my face with water, and that's all. Oh my god, I love it. So that's pretty it. That's all you need to do to get a bright, clean skin every single day. Now I'm gonna just talk to you guys about coconut water. Unfortunately, I don't have it with me right now, but if you are someone have super sensitive skin and so much acne prone skin, then I will tell you to go for coconut water. Coconut water is very light, it's not thick like milk or coconut milk. It is very light like water, and it is very gentle to your skin. And when you use coconut water, it instantly brightens your skin like a magic. It is also going to reduce your blackheads, blemishes, acne, and pimples. But sometimes it is just a little bit hard to get, especially for me, because I like to use fresh coconut water, not something that is preserved. So sometimes it's a bit hard, and I have dry skin, so milk and coconut milk work very fine for me. So even if I don't get a coconut water, it is okay. But I just want to help who have dry skin, who have oily skin, and who have super oily and acne prone skin. So I just give you solution for all kind of skin type. Alright guys, so I hope this small DIY skincare video really helped you. Let me just do a simple conclusion so it is more easier for you guys to get. So if you have dry skin, use coconut milk or coconut water. You can just use one day coconut milk, one day milk, and one day coconut water. You just can switch between these three. But if you have oily or super acne prone skin, then either you go for coconut milk or coconut water. Any of these will be great, but I will recommend you to use it every day, once or twice, depending on how much dark spot or aging spot you have. And if you want to see a great result, then please do use it every day, and I promise you that you will see a change. I think that's all for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys want to see more DIY skincare video, because I love to do DIY skincare video, and I feel like those are more effective than what you can get in your market. It is good, of course, but something that you can get in your home anytime, and you can take care of the stuff that you are going to use. Nothing can be better than that. And I think that's all. And if you guys didn't join this family, then what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until then, good luck, take care, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.